lift the elbows out to the sides gently. Deltoid muscles are working right here. But inside the joint where you can't see are rotator muscles. We'll work them both at the same time, but again in opposition. Lower one arm, lift the other. Yep. Ready? Swap it slow. So it's as if our elbows are suspended in space directly outside the shoulder. And we then move the hands from a north to a south position. The deltoids, what you can touch, are holding the arms up, but it's those deep rotator muscles that are spinning the arms north and south. Yeah, let's do another rotator cuff muscle exercise before we overload the joint. Lower those elbows beside you. Roll in left arm to right. Elbow stays just under the shoulder. Now, just like windshield wipers, back and forth. So now the armpit area is closed. It's not locked. You're not trying to squeeze into yourself. But it's closed, but we're still rotating the arm bone. Yep. Have you heard of the rotator cuff before? Have you had injuries, rehab, surgeries? Know people that have? These are the rehab exercises, or the prehab exercises, they call them. Now, both of them in, third and final rehab exercise. Straighten the arms, thumbs down, lift them up, open them out, thumbs back and wide. Now, bring them forward, cross them again, and thumbs down and back into your pockets. Notice my left arm was on top that time. We will come down with my right arm on top. Which one are you doing? This is called drawing the sword. So you're putting the sword in its sheath, keeping the chest up. We're not dropping our body down. And then we pull the sword up and out, and we put it away again. We have 2 more to go. Well done. Okay, the deltoid muscle is still working to lift and lower. How are your arms feeling? Even without weights, bring the arms out to the sides.